Hi guys, so I recently woke up now and so I yomgqomo actually because umgqomo uphuma namhlanje. So yeah, I'm usually not at home because I think they take it on Wednesdays and I think Fridays. I'm not sure which day it is actually, but in because they usually make a hooter that day. Yeah, so the guy next door usually takes out my bin because I'm always at work during the week. So I was so grateful that we are like in the bin is empty because it worries me the fact that but today I was able to he was already looking to see if anybody was so that he can do it. But it's fine. I'll take it out myself. So guys, it is super hot in Cape Town. I'm off today, so yeah, at least I'm gonna be indoors and doing absolutely nothing. I just have to clean my room, I just have to clean the kitchen, wash dishes, and then do my laundry. And then I need to apply for my passport, guys. I need to have a passport so that makunofika umfana ngoku athi kumsibu, let's escape the country and never come back. I am taking that opportunity. I am going to take that opportunity. So yes, my passport needs to be in check so that or is there any opportunity that will take me out of this country, I'm taking it. So yeah, I need to apply for my passport and then do some things as well. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I set myself a goal today that if I do everything that I said I'm going to do, because guys, I am going to buy myself pizza. I've been craving pizza since the week started, so I am gonna get pizza today. I just need to finish up with everything in the house, and then later on I'm gonna go buy pizza, and then I'm gonna binge watch Love is Blind, the new season. So yeah guys, that's what I'm hoping for if I get everything done. So I'm gonna get myself pizza. Yeah, so yeah, just spend the day with me, you all. I hope you're still enjoying my vlogs. I hope you're still tuned in every vlog that I post. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to hit the notifications button so that you get notified every time I post a video. And don't forget to share my videos on your WhatsApp stories and on your Instagram, guys, so that you can get everybody to subscribe. I need everybody who watches my vlogs to subscribe. Please, let's get to it. This is my face when I just washed it. I wash it with Sunlight soap, and then I just Vaseline it, because Vaseline is the only answer. Okay, so this is it. I don't put anything on my face, but I want to have now a skincare routine that I do maybe at least once a week. I get to do the full thingy of scrubbing and what, but usually on a daily basis, this is what I do to my skin, to my face, to be specific. So yeah, guys. Bathungulunkulu phelo waziyo ngekusasa lam, Tomunyo tuya zuqamba ma, uyena yedwa. Oh yena, uyena yedwa. Tungulungulu pelo wasiyo ngekusasa. Guys, don't laugh at my PJs. Hey, do not laugh at my PJs. I know I look like those boys from those Nigerian movies, but don't laugh, guys. I'm gonna change this now because it's so hot, and I'm gonna wear something small. But I like this pajamas, so don't laugh at me, please. I'm not even gonna iron this, you guys. I am not. Oh, breaking news. Boom, 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 boom. Those are my China. And those are my China. My hand tripod broke. I need a new one now. That time, email Angnai mal. So I'm just gonna have to go. Not today though, because Angnai mal. I don't know when I'm gonna buy a new one, but I need a strong one. Maybe I'm gonna have to go back to Take a Lot and see if I can get a new. That's how Haley didn't irritate. So I'm ready to go to the mall now. And there's 70, let's say 70% of what I said I'm gonna do. Is that maybe? And there's no way I can function. So I'm gonna get my guitar. I feel like I deserve it. Even though I didn't get 200, but I hope. So I'm just gonna go get pizza. I think I'll buy a Coke as well. I'm hoping not to buy back. I'm hoping not to buy back. I just want to cook it and come back. We'll watch the Love is Blind. We'll watch Love is Blind the new season. This is my fit for the day. Oh, look. It's very hot, guys. We are chased, and I don't want to wear a dress. And for my look, because ironing is not ideal for me. So this is how I'm gonna look. My mall fit, and then I'll come back, and then we can watch some Netflix, and then yeah, that's it for the day. I think I'm not going to cook. I just have to hang another laundry, and then that's it. Otherwise, I'm done working hard. We'll continue this Saturday when I'm off again, and then I can work hard. But for now, I'm done. Hi guys, so I'm back home. I am now watching Love is Blind, and guys, get cheese. Like, it's extremely hot, so don't pants just to relax and then binge watch this Love is Blind. There's my pizza that I work hard for, and there's my Coke and water. And I am watching Love is Blind. Don't mind that is still there. Because washing I had to repeat it because been a step, so I had to repeat it, and then I'm watching now Love is Blind, guys. I'm gonna sit here for the rest of the day. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on another video. Morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to yet another vlog by me. I am Sibu and this is my space. Just woke up guys and I have a flu. Can you believe it? Today is a Thursday. I am off, so I'm going out with my friend Emma's sister. So I'm very excited about that. But then Impumlo are blocked. Like I can even hear my throat is starting to be funny and understand it guys. Even my voice is changing and I still have to go out Kesana because no fever formed against me shall prosper. Never. So yeah guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update. We're going to have brunch. Hopefully we're not late because we just woke up now. So we're gonna have brunch at Alo if that's possible. And then yeah, that is just about it for today. Just show you guys our outfits when we're done and then we can vamos. Thank you guys. Bye. Off to our rooftop. We didn't make it for brunch, so now we're having late lunch, early dinner. Anyways, the vibe is still up. We're still gonna be having so much fun. And I'm just, yes. Hi guys, so we are finally here at Alo. Just want to show you my sister. We're here guys. We're in this place is beautiful and I'm also so beautiful. guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going back home now with my sister. We're done with our law. We left when the party just started, actually. Oops, we left when the party just started. It is the music here, the men, we were figure, but they, you know, the life most, we have to get back home and be safe, alright? So we're on our way back home now. We're gonna pass there by Tops just to get some to continue the party at home safe. That's our vibe. We do it safe at home. So yeah, we're going home now. It was such a nice day. Hi, you can introduce yourself.
Say hi to everyone.
Hi to my vlog. Yeah, we're going home now. It was such a nice day. Alo's thingy was not good at all. It was not nice. The service was not good. The food was nice, alcohol, obviously. But then the service, I think they just look at you and then they see, but then the tip is like, it's a, it's compulsory, so they don't give a shit though. So yeah, it was that. Otherwise, yeah, everything was good. Me and my sister enjoyed time together, so we had fun, yeah. Is so bad. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly update you guys. We are at Cape Town Appliances. We're looking for a fridge. I'm hoping that I'm gonna get a fridge because I don't have a fridge. If I go to a fridge, let's go.
a burst of fresh flavor. Andalex, SA's #1 choice for sore mouth and throat. Andalex lozenges are available at all leading pharmacies and supermarkets.
Bye-bye.
Say for men again fridge.